Now, this is normally the time when anyone who's having a terrible time sneaks out because they think my back's turned and I'm not going to look around and catch them. Now,
seamless.
Well, didn't even fucking notice, did you? Now, for those of you that haven't met him before, this is Little Kunt. Now, Little Kunt was my former parasitic twin who was wedged up my anus for the first 28 years of my life. And he was removed with an operation and he came out covered in blood, shit and sweet corn. Unfortunately, the real Little Kunt couldn't be here tonight because he lives in a bell jar in my bedroom in pickling vinegar. But this is an effigy of him I made with sellotape. Life size. And me and Little Kunt, we like to educate people when we do our duets, and it won't surprise you to learn this first song we're going to do is about sexual education. And this song is called The Birds and the Bees. Try on the fucking finger knot. Well, I was at a family wedding, and to be frank, I was thinking about fucking off home because it was proper wank. The free bar had run out, so I decided to leave. When all of a sudden this little kid came up to me. He said,
I've heard some words in the playground I don't understand. For example, anus, front bottom, and memory games.
Before I knew it, he clambered up and was sat on my knee. And he said,
Uncle Kunt, will you tell me about the birds and the bees?
So I stopped, scratched my head, and then I said, well, your daddy got his cheesy hole, which he stuck in mummy's fishy hole. Then moved it in and out, in and out, in and out, until little tadpoles come out.
But the thing is, you see, my mummy is a lesbian friend. And neither her nor my other mummy has got a bell end. They've both got vaginas, and so I'm confused, you see. With any pots or men's milk, and fuck it, they make me.
So I stopped, scratched my head, and then I said, well, they probably found some bloke and got him to wank into a yogurt pot. Then they put the juice into a syringe and squirted it up a minge. So your daddy broke his cheesy pole off into a pot of finer coal. Then again the pot made a big scheme, but either way it was white wee. And that's the birds and the bees.